Here I'm going to show you how to use the Google Classroom. So before use Google Classroom, every student have to have the Gmail account. So when you have Gmail account, you can open your Gmail and then you can see in the top there's some dotted, it is called Google Apps. If you click in the Google Apps, you can see all of them. You have to go down a little bit and then you see, so it is so many apps is coming, and this one is Google Classroom. So if you click on it, it will take a little bit time and then you can use Google Classroom. Google Classroom actually one of the tools, organized by Google company. So it is for education. So in the Google Classroom, when you open it, you can see which class you are assigned from your school or from your instructor. So example, I'm going to show you now RN NCLEX review materials. So if you click on it, you can see what are the content of RN NCLEX review. You see a new page come. The first, it is called stream, then coursework, peoples and grade. If you click over peoples, you can see who is your teacher or your teacher's name, and also all of your classmate or student name is there. So like here, we have almost 200 students. So every student name is here. You can find it out, your classmate. And this one is a grade. So when students submit their assignment, their quiz, it would be automatically graded. But instructor can see all of the student grade, but you only can see your one. So what is the main focus today? I'm going to share with you how to use the Google Classroom materials. You have to click in the Google class work. So if you click here and wait for a minute, and you can see it is coming. Okay, so when it showing like this, always I like to request you go to the bottom. You can see view more. You click in the view more, then goes down, click more, go down, click more, go a little bit down. So now it is the bottom. You should start from bottom. It is showing week 1. So week 1, fundamental of nursing, week 2, pharmacology, week 3, pediatrics, 4, maternity, week 5, respiratory, 7, cardiovascular, 6, cardiovascular, 7, nervous system, week 8, endocrine system, 9, gastrointestinal system, week 10, musculoskeletal system, 11, sensory, 12, cancer, week 13, mental health, week 14, review class we call Spider-Man section, 15, Spider-Man 2, 17, Spider-Man 3, 16, 17, and both are Spider-Man here. So this is total 17 weeks. So within this time, you can review all materials what basically need for NCLEX board licensing exam. So when you finish week 1, just click over it and then you can see one of the videos here. What talking in these videos everything written form in this PDF. So you listen. We appreciate if during the listening time, if you make a note. But if you do not like it or you are lazy, then you can open this Power PDF form where this lecture is a zip up as a note. After finish watching this video, read the note, then better to go directly corresponding quizzes. So week 1, when you done, go quiz 1. So this is the quiz 1, right? You click there, then you can see a quiz link. So this is, I'm talking about now RN review classes. If you click here, you will get a fundamental of nursing test. You could write down your name and your email address, and then you can get few questions. You could answer them one by one. After finish the answer, you could submit it. When you submit it, your school will get notification and you will be graded automatically, and you can see how much you get. So when you've done this, you have to go back again to the Google Classroom materials. Then you have to go for week 2. Week 2 here, pharmacology. So like there, what are the materials here? You can watch the video, read the note, and after this, you go for quiz number 2, right? So when you done all of them, you see the week 2 is came, videos, then some PDF form. So it is all pharmacology, right? So when week 2 done, then go quiz 2. Quiz for week 2, pharmacology. Click here, click the pharmacology quiz. Again, this is pharmacology test. Write your name, write your email address, answer all of the question up to the bottom and submit it. So this is the way you can finish week 1 to week 17 and quiz 1 to quiz 17. So when you've done all of those, there are few practice exam. It is called exit practice sample A, exit practice sample B. So if you finish all of the materials and in the same time, if you've done the Center Comprehensive Review NCLEX RN book or Lippincott practice question, you are able to get more than 75% in exit A and exit B. After finish this 2 exit, you claim or you can come to school and say, yes, the practice exam, I got 75% both of them, means you are ready for final exit, what you should take from the school. We will give you the school computer and we have an auto proctoring system. And in exit exam, if you get 75% plus, means you ready for board exam. And we will send you all information to the board. And also here is called study materials or books. So if you click in over study materials and books, you can get all of the materials that what you need for NCLEX RN exam. So this first one is called Lippincott question and answer. Around 5,000 question is here. This can help you to build your basic foundation. Also, these materials can help you to answer select all category question. I'd like to request you, do not memorize the question and answer. Try to read the question, get understand what examiner asking for, and use your brain to find out the answer. And also read the rationale or explanation. Make a note, be prepared for next. And this is the book, one of the great weapon for NCLEX board exam, I said. This book is called Prioritizations, Delegations, and Management Care. This book also help you to answer the prioritization questions. A good number of questions you will get in NCLEX board about the prioritizations. So you see, this is the book, Prioritizations, Delegations, and Management Care. So after finish this book, there's one more book is called Center Comprehensive Review. So Center Comprehensive Review book also very important. Comprehensive Review and NCLEX RN book. You will get all of that system by system and practice question as well. If any student is more interested, they can read Nursing Care Plan and Diagnosis, because nowadays the NCLEX going to change their question format. So this book can help you to develop a good sense how to deal and how to make a nursing care plan for your patient. And last document here, it is called Clinical Nursing Skill. This book also contains some barcode in the second page. You can open online materials and can see some skill, some videos. Okay. So basically, this is the study materials can help you to get your desired score and also help you to get your license.